Hi everyone. This one problem I think you all have been asking me to give you a solution, which is how to make your lower pleats as easy as possible. I'm going to show you 4 different ways. Figure out which one works for you and just practice that. Okay? So option number 1 is take this. First you always measure it on your princess line. Take this fabric from here. Hold it with your little finger and your thumb. Okay, like this. And then you go up, down, little finger, your index finger and your thumb, your index finger and your thumb, your index finger and your thumb, and that's how you just keep going and you get your pleats. Now I'm just going to hold them together, dust, and these are my pleats. Look at this. Option number 2. When I wear saris like this, I always tell you all to make broad pleats. Take this, okay? Take this and you give the fabric to your little finger and then to your thumb. Your little finger and thumb. It's actually very easy. You just need that little extra practice. See, thumb and the little finger. Thumb, little finger. Then what I'm going to do is I'm finishing it on my thumb, holding it with my thumb but releasing the index, the little finger. Then just dust. Look at my pleats. Option number 3. What you do is take this here, because a lot of people feel that they can't pleat like this. Take this here, hold it here, okay? Your little finger and your index. Your little, your index. See? And so on, little, index, and then I'm finishing it here. I'm holding all the pleats together and look at this. Just dust, 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 and you will get these pleats. Look at this. See? Got them? Option number 4. What you do is, instead of making broad pleats, if you want to make narrow pleats, then you just do this. Little finger and the thumb, little finger and the thumb. See this? I finish it on my thumb, release it, dust it, and look at my pleats. And listen, I'm giving you one bonus style. The option is take this, make a broad pleat from here, exactly like how I do in my videos. This, and then I come here, and then what I do is I leave extra fabric here and then do this. I really don't know how to explain it, but see, I'm showing you all everything. See this? This, then I throw the fabric. This is like that throw and hold, pattern. So this, and then I throw, and this, then I throw, and then I finish it here, and then when I release, look at this. So I've actually shown you 5 ways of making the lower pleats. Figure out which works for you and just practice.